Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm making another ink painting and also some doodles. So here I started covering my painting with the gesso. So this is the gesso that I'm using, and I just did a one layer because the surface of my canvas is very rough, and sometime I did last time, and literally the ink bleed through my canvas, and that also leaves some mark on the back side of my canvas. So that's why I cover with the gesso first. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more of these kind of DIYs, and go ahead and check out my Etsy shop. Alright, so as you see me, I already prepped my canvas. Now I'm gonna add mountains here. So let's start just drawing first. So I'm just gonna use a pencil, and let's see, I want to start adding my mountain maybe from here. I think I'm happy with this. Alright, so now I draw my mountain. I'm just gonna tape my mountain using this tape. So last time it really bleed, so that's why I am actually gonna do the same thing. Actually, I'm sure it's gonna bleed again, so I'm just taping these edges first, and then I'm gonna cover the middle part with using any other kind of paper or something. Mountains are easy. The last time I did a butterfly there, so yeah. It's just a straight line, so it's so much easier. So as you see me last time, I used these four ink colors last time for my butterfly. I'm gonna use some other colors today too. I'm gonna use this color, but I'm also gonna use these three colors. So I got this from Michael for about like a $7. I know it says 11 here, but I use a coupon, so that's why I got it from Michael for about like a 7 and something. But let me just open this and show you the colors. Alright, so I'm gonna use this green color. It's not like a dark green, but it's kind of a light green. That's what it looks like here. And this is like, is there anything? Yeah, I'm like, it's empty, but no, it's not. And this is actually a purple kind of a color, and these two are, I guess, different. I hope so it's different, but this looks like a purple and this is a blue one. And this one right here, it's kind of this pink right here, and this is a red. So I really wanted to use a pink, I said last time, but yeah, let's try these colors today. But before I do that, I need to cover my mountain down here because I don't want to get any ink colors there, even though I'm gonna paint it with the white paint anyway still, but yeah. Alright, I'm gonna use this. Alright, I'm all done now. And now I'm gonna start. Let me just put this also inside. Okay, so that you can see my canvas. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some ink over here. But before I add that, I'm gonna use this one right here. It's like absent alcohol. So last time I just used I think I used very less of that, so I'm gonna use more this time. But before I do that, I want to cover my table over here. Otherwise, I don't know how to clean this ink if I kind of mess up my table over here, like a drop or anything. So I'm gonna use just this plastic that I have, and I'm gonna cover this inside. Okay, alright, so now I'm gonna use this one right here. So I already poke a hole, just a one hole right here, because I don't want to add too much. So let's start. So I'm just gonna add this kind of a drop like that. Oh yeah, you know what? Why I prep. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. Why I prep my canvas like this with the gesso? I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this. But last time when I draw this butterfly, the ink kind of bleed through the canvas over here like that, and I don't want that. When I sell my artwork, I don't want any messy work around on my canvas. So that's why I prep my canvas over here for this one right here. Alright, so let's back to work. I'm just adding this bunch of dots like that. I hope you can see that. I really want a lot of this alcohol here. As you can see, I covered this area very nicely, but over here you can still see this kind of an empty space. So I'm gonna cover that too, like that. That's why I said I'm trying to cover very nicely. Alright, I'm happy with this now. I'm gonna add these inks. I'm so scared about this part because I never used this color before, and I'm gonna try this one first. So let's start with the lighter color, which is this yellow. I'm gonna apply some yellow first. And I'm gonna use a brush for that. So I'm gonna use this brush. Let me add some more here. I guess I need some more. Okay. See this? This is my favorite part when I drop this in here. I'm also moving this around. Alright, so now I'm gonna use the other colors. Maybe I wanna use this pink first. Let's see. Ooh, I like this. This is so much better. I don't have to use a brush then because of this thing. Do I have to cut this or what? No, it's already good. I think I am good to go. Okay, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much than these bottles right here. This is awesome. I love this. I guess I'm gonna use some more pink, but I don't want to go too crazy. Okay, one there, maybe one here, and one there. Okay, that's all I'm gonna use there, I guess, for now. Okay, and I'm gonna use this purple. Okay. Oh, I love this so much, guys. This is awesome. Wow, that was a big one. That's okay. Maybe one here. I think that's all I want to do because last time I go too crazy and it was too dark. So I'm gonna go with the lighter color for now, and I'm gonna use this green. I don't know if I want to use these two colors today, or I don't think so. I'm gonna use these two colors for today. I just want to play with this one. It's awesome. I love this. Look at that. It's so awesome. I love this. Okay, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna use my straw now to blow and move this around. Oh, I need this. See? Get that. Oh, you know what? I'm just making a drop on top of my ink like that. And look at that! I love this! I never did this before. I'm so excited. Okay, I think I'm gonna use more purple because I really like it. But not a lot, just maybe a little drop. There. And I'm gonna use a little bit more pink here. That's good. Just love this. Okay, I'm gonna add some more ink here. Alright, so here I'm just playing around with the colors and see what I like, what I don't, and I just keep adding some more and more ink there. So just enjoy watching. And this is my favorite part, is ripping all this tape. I don't know why it's just so satisfying, even though the edges are still not that perfect. But I don't care, because you're gonna see me next that I covered all of that ink on my mountain with some more acrylic paint, and I did about like a couple layers there. So here I'm just gonna fast forward that part, because I don't want you to sit there and watch me doing that easy part. So alright, so I think this is my second favorite part, is just start doodling. So here I draw the mountain first, and then just started adding some designs there, and I don't know how to explain you this part, so just keep watching and enjoy watching. If you have any question about this project or any of the materials or anything, just leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you. And everything I make on my YouTube channel, I always put that on my Etsy shop, so you can also check out my Etsy shop. Don't forget that I am very new to Etsy, so I'm just keep trying to remind you that I have an Etsy shop, and now I'm selling my art stuff. Alright, so here I'm all done painting it. Now I'm just covering all those ink and everything by applying a little bit of polyacrylic there. If you have that glossy gel, I don't know what it's called, but you can also use that. But here I'm all done. If you enjoy watching this video, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to see more of these kind of DIYs and paintings. And I'll see you next time. Bye!